big part of any home construction, restoration, or remodeling project lies in the finest details in style, functionality, and reliability of its plumbing product. Faucets, sinks, showerheads, toilets, and accessories. That's why we turn to Danze and Gerber for these critical pieces in the restoration of 604 2nd Street. The master bath features both traditional and handheld showerheads. The shower valves are manufactured with scald-resistant technology and durable, tight-seal ceramic disc valves for dripless performance. The design of all the fixtures throughout the home reinforces traditional decor while staying true to the historical nature of the property. The quarter-turn lever-style sink faucets are easy to operate, even for those with sensitive joints. The Gerber Avalanche two-piece toilet concealed trapway is known among professionals and homeowners alike for its flushing performance and reliability. Maximum space and style, the Logan Square pedestal sink, is a great space saver while adding unique traditional flair to the room. The mix of Danze Gerber products, variety of styles, and quality in each piece provided make a significant impact on the beauty and reliability found within the kitchen and bathrooms of the home.
All right, there's more on the house to come after this. Hi, thanks for dropping in the On the House studio and workshop. When Brother Morris and I aren't out banging nails helping folks convert their home improvement dreams to reality, we do the same thing on air every week. When it came to remodeling 604 2nd Street, our historic home renovation, and in particular plumbing fixtures and fittings, valves and sinks and faucets, we reached out to our friends at Gerber and Danze, two heritage brands with beautiful product that perform well. From a builder's perspective, we don't want leaks and we don't want squeaks. They're a profit robber and they irritate our customers. So Gerber and Danze have helped us create a happy customer, and we can go about doing what we do best.
Pedestal sink in the middle bathroom is just gorgeous, and it looks like the style of an older home. And also the sinks in the master bathroom are beautiful.
And they're also, everything's water efficient for our new California standards here, so it was helpful for us.
I love all the faucets. They just fit the home perfectly.
To learn more about these decorative brands, visit gerberonline.com and danze.com.